I just turned this horizontal video into vertical video in Davinci Resolve 18. And I'm going to undo that so I can do it again and show you how I did it. Undo. Undo. Oh, I wish I didn't have to undo this. Okay. Here's what I did. I highlighted all of this, every single bit, making sure every bit of it's highlighted. Then right click. Then I hit new compound clip. I didn't even rename it. I just left it whatever name it is. Hit create. Then I right clicked it again and I hit copy. Then I hit Control N. This box comes up and I uncheck use project settings. So now it doesn't say, there's no check mark in the use project settings. Okay, I hit format and then I click use vertical resolution. Then I hit create. Oh my God, everything disappeared. It's lost forever. Oh, but I made it into one clip and then I copied it. So I can just right click and hit paste. Boom, there it is. Now I go to the front and look, I've got the whole thing, all the audio and video all in one thing. And now it's a vertical. And because I edited it earlier down, all the way down to where it's 57 seconds, now I can use this to make a short, a YouTube short. The only problem is here, I don't have my logo showing up here, but because I'm making this short for YouTube in my Davinci Resolve, now I can go up here, grab my logo, bring it down here and change it to the size that I need. Let's see here. Where's my size? Shrink that thing up. Woo, there we go. Shrink it up. Move it up to the top and over into the corner. And there, I got my logo. Got my logo back. Now I just do what I normally do with when I'm ready to deliver and upload it on YouTube, and I'll have me a short as long as it's under 60 seconds. And in the title, I'll put hashtag shorts and bam. Now I can do shorts on PC, not just the phone. And you can too. Next, I got to learn how to do screen capture and do my videos like that and do a video on how to do screen capture. So when I forget how to do it, I can watch my own video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Let me know in the comments more videos you need to see so I can make stuff that you need. Let me know what you like and what you don't like so I can make them better.